everyone, I'm Leah. If you're here, there's a good chance you've recently integrated your Printify account with PrestaShop. Nice work. Now you need to set up a very important part of any online business, shipping. We'll show you two options, free shipping and weight-based rate. Free shipping is a good option if you expect most of your customers to be in one country, like the US, for example. This is also a better option if you'll be selling a mix of products like t-shirts, phone cases, and mugs. The idea here is to include the shipping cost into the retail price of your product. That way, it'll look like your products have free shipping when really the shipping price is already included in the final amount your customer will be paying. Weight-based shipping is a great option if you plan on selling just one type of product, such as t-shirts. This will also allow you to set up reduced shipping for orders with more than one t-shirt. Now that you know the difference between the two options, let's see how to set these up, starting with the free shipping option. In your PrestaShop dashboard, navigate to Shipping, Carriers, and then Add New Carrier. Add the carrier name and the transit time. Click Next and enable free shipping. Then check the box next to the selected region that you'd like to have free shipping. We'll enable the specific country shortly. Click Next. Continue through the next steps. However, these boxes are optional to fill in. In the last step, click Finish. Now go to International, Locations, and then Countries. Filter by your selected region and enable only the country that will have free shipping. By default, only your own country is enabled in the country list. It's recommended to enable them one by one as needed for your customers. Due to the vast differences in the shipping rates for different countries, we recommend leaving all other destinations disabled in your PrestaShop shipping settings. This means customers outside of the countries you ship to won't be able to complete the checkout process in your store. Now go to Catalog, Products, and click on the product you'd like to have free shipping. Go to Shipping. Under Available Carriers, select the shipping carrier you just created. Now remember to save. Let's see how to set up weight-based shipping now. From your PrestaShop dashboard, go to Shipping, Carriers, Add New Carrier. Enter the carrier name and the transit time. Then click Next. Now choose your shipping regions and enter the rates. As an example, let's say you want to sell t-shirts from SwiftPod. The shipping rate for one t-shirt within the US is $4 and $8.50 to Canada. Due to PrestaShop limitations, it's not possible to set up rates for individual countries within the same shipping region. So we recommend using the average of the two rates. We'll say shipping for one t-shirt is $6.25 and $3 for each additional shirt. Set the weight range for one t-shirt. We'll say the weight range for a single shirt is between 0 and 1 pound. The actual product weight doesn't matter since we're just using this to identify how many items are in the order. Now enter the shipping rate for one shirt. Let's set the weight range and shipping rates for 2 t-shirts and 3 t-shirts. Now do the same for any other shipping regions you'd like to add. The next steps are optional, so we'll click Finish. Now we'll have to edit the weight of the product so that it matches the shipping rules we've just set up. Go to Catalog, Products, find your product and click on it. Go to the Shipping tab and enter the weight. Under Available Carriers, select the shipping carrier you've just created, and then save. And last but not least, go to International, Locations, and Countries to enable the countries of your selected regions. One final recommendation: head over to your storefront and test out the rates by putting some products in the shopping cart. Due to limitations in PrestaShop, you won't be able to set up different shipping profiles based on product type, so you'll have to stick to one of the two options we mentioned. In short, free shipping is a better option if you expect your customers to be in one country or if you plan on selling various types of products. Weight-based shipping is good if you plan on selling just one type of product, as it allows you to set up reduced shipping for orders with multiple items. Great work! Now you're really ready to generate some massive sales. Be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and give this video a big like and subscribe to our channel to stay in the loop on other Printify tricks and tips.